Well, it's January the 21st, 13 degrees outside. Cold, cold January. We got a cold front coming in. It's going to last for a while. Hey, January, what can I do in January? Let me say this. You have great choices in front of you. You can choose to be dumb, or you can choose to educate yourself. You can choose to have a new hobby, or you can choose to get fat. But January is here, and we're coming to the end of it. Yes, we are. It's been a cold month. Merle Haggard had a song, and in that same song I'm talking about, he had a statement in there, and it went like this: "What are you gonna do for the rest of your life?" That's a big question. It sure is. Being 65, it becomes bigger. When you become 65, what you're gonna do the rest of your life is a real question. So, what are you gonna do the rest of your life? Well, I'm starting a new hobby. Damn right. I'm going to have some fun in Kentucky. Going to have fun in Kentucky. Some country wisdom that I have learned over the years. Taking medication and tonic is more effective during a full moon. I suspect perhaps whiskey would be the same. You drink whiskey on a full moon and you might just get drunker. Billy Crocker, you get some of this here muffin mix, I guarantee you it'll warm up your kitchen. Just turn it up to about 425 and cook it for about 10 or 15 minutes. Stick a toothpick in and see if it's ready to go. I'm Kentucky. And this show has been brought to you by Billy Crocker. Have a great day here in Owensboro, Kentucky. I'm Kentucky. And remember, keep it between the ditches, my friends. Be safe, my relatives.